Hey everyone, welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. I'm Tara and today I'm going to be talking about adding multiple note types to any of our memo boxes in the system. To do this, you are going to navigate to the notes field, or the memo field that you want to add a note to. In that field, you're going to right click and select Add from Note Types. And this menu will appear. This is all of your notes that are sorted into their respective groups. And then from here, you can go ahead and select the notes that you want to add. And we can see the preview of the note on this right-hand side. And once we double click, it'll add it to the text to add group. So once we hit OK, our notes will be in there and we can select Save Changes. So just so you're aware where these notes are coming from, that's going to be in the Add Edit under Equipment Information and Note Types. I hope this helps.